Top 7 Best Basketball Shoes for Wide Feet 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Nike KD14. If you are looking for a solid all-rounder that has it all: grip, cushion, support, comfort, the KD14 is a phenomenal shoe. Having tested over 100 basketball shoes, we find it the most versatile option that caters to a variety of playing styles. You get a ton of grip, even on some dusty courts. There was no breaking in, the outsole had a fantastic bite from the start, and we never had to stop and wipe it. It's got some of the softest cushioning units. The foam feels like a marshmallow and yet bounces back to help you sprint and jump. We were also astonished by the balance of impact protection and the court feel that it offers. Whether you are a heavier player or a nimble guard, you are going to feel at home in the KD14. There is an excellent lockdown courtesy of the wide, firm strap. Once all laced up and strapped, we completely forgot about having to tighten, loosen, or adjust the fit. Number 2. Under Armour Curry 8. Just how could you make such an insanely grippy shoe with zero rubber? We can't think of any other shoe that could compete with the Curry 8 in the grip department. If you want a basketball shoe that will help you feel sure-footed when stepping on a banana peel, this is it. And this model doesn't fall short in the other departments either. It's got a wonderfully responsive cushioning that reminded us of Nike React and Adidas Boost. It is indeed so smooth that we felt like wearing a running shoe. And, boy, that knit upper. Wrapping around the foot, it feels so soft, so flexible. It's almost like wearing a pair of socks. Number 3. Nike Cosmic Unity. This is a truly well-cushioned shoe from Nike. We were awestruck by the perfect blend of responsiveness, impact protection, and court feel underfoot. This is one of the best setups that keeps you low to the ground and, at the same time, delivers a nice rebound. But plush doesn't end with the midsole. Once you step into the Cosmic Unity, you experience a real unity with its form-fitting and soft knit upper. There is zero break in time, and the shoe just feels right straight from the box. We had no heel slippage or side-to-side instability in its supportive hug. And what earned this shoe a big bonus from us is its sustainable approach. 25% of the materials are made of trash. It is incredible that recycled materials nowadays can score as high as the premium ones. Go Nike! All throughout our wear test game, the shoe felt solid and heavy-duty. As long as you limit its use to indoor courts, the shoe is going to last. Number 4. Nike PG5. A highly cushioned basketball shoe. The Nike PG5 offers players a solid platform for jumping. This would be a good shoe for a big or power forward who likes to stay in the lanes and remain on the block. Aside from the pleasing looks, the Nike PG5 offers great value for money. I would definitely go a half size up personally if given another chance to have these. There isn't much room for the toes to flex or your foot to breathe. If you are someone who likes more room, you will definitely need to look at going a half size or even full size up. The fit of the Nike PG5 is pretty tight, and it leaves me preferring other more guard-based shoes simply because I hate not having enough room to move in transition. Number 5. Nike Kyrie 7. The Kyrie 7 has got some of the most secure lockdowns among basketball shoes. Once you lace it up, the foothold is remarkable. We tried our heaviest jump stops in this shoe only to make sure that it can handle them all. The containment remains solid all throughout the game. We can highly recommend it for the nimble players who perform plenty of side-to-side movements and appreciate that extra ankle support. It is also one of the lightest options, about 1.6 oz lighter than average. We were astonished by how much support and cushioning it packs for its 12 oz. There's nothing about the shoe that could weigh you down. The upper materials also feel light and airy. The cushion did not disappoint either. We were actually impressed by the highly responsive and bouncy ride. And yet it doesn't kill the ground feel, and we were able to maneuver quite sure-footedly during the wear test. Number 6. Under Armour Spawn 3. PSSSD. Want a premium basketball shoe for only $100? That's the Spawn 3. Honestly, the shoe would easily make it to our best overall, best grip, and best cushioning if its primary superpower wasn't the price. It is a real steal. You get insane grip even on dusty courts that lets you stop on a dime and change directions faster than you know it. The cushioning on this Under Armour shoe can compete with some of the best setups from Nike, including the React foam. Amazingly bouncy, protective, and yet sensitive to the court. We are confident that this option will suit a variety of playing positions and styles. The fit of the Spawn 3 just clicks. We didn't expect much, judging from the shoe's simple, if not cheap-looking materials. But once the pair was on our feet, it couldn't get any nicer and snugger. Number 7. Jordan Zion 1. The Zoom Freak 3 is a solid performer for me due to its supportive fit, tacky indoor traction, and propulsive forefoot cushioning. Wearing these felt light and bouncy on foot, and none of its weak points majorly stuck out to me during gameplay. The Zoom Freak 3 felt like the ideal prototype for team model shoe, adaptable, generic fit, light and supportive cushioning, and no major weaknesses all around. Zion Williamson's first signature basketball shoe catered well to players of his profile, providing strong support, cushion, and responsiveness. The shoe plays best on indoor hardwood gyms, but is still performing outdoors with less durability. Reading other online reviews, there seemed to be a note of extra space in the forefoot, so as a wide footer I went down a half size, and they were strong. Fit, not much noticeable extra space in the forefoot, and lockdown was good. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best basketball shoes for wide feet 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.